Okay, so let's take the second one in direct speech. Okay, the second one here in direct speech is she said, open inverted commas, I bought a new car. What did she say? I bought a new car. Now remember here, in both the sentences, they both refer to here to he, and here I refers to she. You got that, all of you? Yes. So let's take the answer of this. She said that she had bought a new car. So you got it now, all of you? I suppose it's very simple. It's not that tough. You can do it, and it will be much more easier if you really understand the basic things here. Do you follow? If you go to see all of them here also. She refers to she here, I refer to she here, he refers to he here, I refer to he here. So I suppose this is main part where we normally find it difficult to change. Another important part is always remember when we need to change the present, the past tense, okay, changes into past perfect. Now what we do is here, past perfect means had. See here, we have used, okay, we have used had. Can you see in both the questions out here, we have used had. This is the verb started here. Sorry, this is the verb started out here. She said that she bought. So here, this is also a verb here, that is bought. So now you understand the verb, now you understand the past perfect part of it, and now you understand the pronoun. Here the pronoun changes. I refers here to he, and he refers here to he. I refer to she, and she here refers to she. So this is what we got in the first two of these examples, that is past simple changes into past perfect. I suppose we got this, children. So let us go on to the very next one, that is past progressive changes into past progressive. Okay, here we need to do is, he said I was writing a poem. What did he say? He said I was writing a poem. What will be the answer to the next one is, he said that he had been writing a poem. So let's do some examples out here. Okay. So if you see here, the kids said we were playing a game. So what are you going to see here in the present? The kids said they had been playing a game. Remember, here I have not used that. Here I have not used that in the progressive tense. Okay, in the progressive tense we do not use the conjunction word that we join sentences out here, that. Okay, so take the next one. So if you see the next one is, they said we were watching a movie. Okay, in the indirect speech, they said they had been watching a movie. I suppose both the examples are clear in using the past perfect, that is the past progressive changes, into past progressive, that is in the perfect tense. Am I clear? It shouldn't be too difficult for you to understand. It's very, very simple. It's only that we need to read and understand between the lines. You need to understand what is it said. I would be giving you this piece of paper with all the examples done in this, and each one have examples of 4. You can go through them thoroughly and watch what is done here and what is it asking us to understand. We need to do this regularly, on regular basis, so that we improve our day-to-day English. I hope I made it clear to you, children. So let's go on to the very next one. Okay, the very next one is the present progressive, okay, which changes into past progressive. Present progressive changes into past progressive. So let's do some example to get this understood. So you see here,